y'all can get this video to 5,000 views, we're gonna put the 26s onto the Silverado, ride it to a truck meet one night. Y'all gotta make that happen. For my sake, y'all gotta make that happen. What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog today. Beautiful Friday morning. I wake up, I come to the shop, and I left my freaking camera at work yesterday. Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome to the vlog. Real quick, I wanna give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Sharktail Hitch, at Sharktail Hitch on Instagram. If you guys have not checked out their Instagram, make sure to do so. The best all-in-one flagpole hitch for your truck, SUV, or even car if you found a way to mount a hitch on the back of that damn thing. You need to go check them out. Use the code THATWIDE2020. It will be in the link in the description below for 10% off of your purchase. That makes it like $117 before tax. Super simple. All you have to do is get a flag and a pole after that, all in one. It's like 16 gauge steel that the main hitch part is made out of, and 14 gauge steel, I think I'm saying that right, that the pole is made out of. Super awesome. It's got a bottle cap on the back. I would show you guys, but I'm not right by my truck. I'll insert a picture of it so you guys can see it right here. Bing! Me right next to the truck. Look how cute I am. Look, that's me right there with my Sharktail hitch. Make sure you guys go follow them on Instagram and go check it out and go buy one 10% off below. What you doing, Lance?
Edge some shit.
Edge some shit? Hell yeah. Oh, excuse me, excuse me. 6-0, 5-3. I don't know. I don't know. That's close. I don't know. Mine is a little bit deeper though. Ooh. Back in the truck. So I'm on my way down to Union City to go see my boy Poppin' Clutches. He got some new wheels that I want to go check out. I don't know if they're on the truck yet or not, but I'm riding down to Union City and you're not gonna be able to see him, but that's my boy Curly over there. You see the black Mustang in the back, where that one right, yeah, the black Mustang. What up, Curly? What's going on, bro? Obviously, he probably won't see me. That's crazy. That's my dude. Sends me the address to a Dairy Queen right next to his house, so he had to come find me and make sure I made it to the right place. But that's him in front of me. He does have the wheels on the truck. I thought he had taken them off the truck for some reason, but he does have the new wheels on the truck. You guys can tell by the thumbnail, they're big, they're chrome, and I'm super excited to see him. Here we go. Gotta get a first look. First look at the new wheels on the Tahoe. I'm so excited. That damn squeaking from my seat is gonna drive me crazy. I drove 45 minutes to come see this. Look, there it is. There it is. Oh shit, that's clean. Bro, I hope you're watching this right now. That shit is clean as hell. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let me get out and show y'all. First of all, look at the wheels on this Ford right here. There's no spokes. Look. What the hell is this? That is some Ford kind of shit, isn't it? Would be a Ford. And we got the Silverado gang, lowered Silverado gang with the reps. I like it. Damn. Yeah, I'll pull in the driveway in a sec. Holy shit. Holy shit. God, look at it. 26x14 TIS. Wow. I don't even know what to say. I really don't know what to say. I really don't. Holy shit. I need to find a way. Maybe he'll trade me. Wow. I feel like a kid in a candy store right now. Y'all make sure to go follow my guy. Follow him on Instagram. Go subscribe to his YouTube channel. They're posting weekly. They have a lot of awesome content, like different content than I make. So make sure to go follow them on Instagram. Follow him on Instagram and subscribe to his YouTube channel. He's got a lot of different guys that he has on the channel all the time, and they have a lot of awesome content. So make sure to go subscribe to their channel.
This right here, right? I'm gonna get a box that carve up. This is gonna be a wall that stops them, stop right there. But the airflow is gonna push back that way. But all of this is gonna be 415, but I'm gonna make them inside so that you can see it. And from this back glass, you're gonna see LED lights coming from the back. You'll see. Hell yeah. Nice.
Hey, my boy's got the fishing rod in here.
Yeah, you gotta go fishing every day.
I need to go fishing. It's been months since I've been. Amar, if you're watching this video, We need to go fishing. I know that you live like 5 hours away, but we need to go fishing. It's been too long.
I got some more rods in there. We gotta go. I guess you.
Hey.
You gotta stay a certain feet away from me.
The underglow. That looks so good. Here's the deal. Here's the deal. And I've got him with me as proof. As proof. Oh, I already went over. If they haven't subscribed already, then they shouldn't be watching this video. They should be clicking off and going to subscribe to Poppin' Clutches on YouTube. Stop what you're doing and go do that. If this video gets, what, 5,000? 5,000 views or 10,000? 5,000 is an obtainable goal, I think. 5,000 views. We're gonna take the 26s on the Tahoe, 5,000 views, and put them onto the bow tie over there. 5,000 is 5,000 is doable.
And we're gonna take to the truck meet too. We're gonna ride the truck meet.
5,000.
We're gonna take to the truck meet too, and we're gonna see what people think.
5,000. There you go. If y'all can get this video to 5,000 views, we're gonna put the 26s onto the Silverado, ride it to a truck meet one night. Y'all gotta make that happen. For my sake, y'all gotta make that happen. So stop what you're doing, click off this video, click back on it again at least 2 or 3 times, and give me some views, because that needs to happen. So obviously Poppin' Clutches, the name doesn't fit the truck, but the name definitely fits the dirt bike. So if y'all want to see me ride a dirt bike at some point, I've never ridden a dirt bike in my entire life. If y'all want to see me ride a dirt bike, y'all need to drop some comments below. Where's my boy Darius? Darius, we need to go ride, man. Once I can learn how to ride, because I don't know how to do the clutches and all that stuff. I mean, obviously by the name, he knows how to do it. Y'all need to go check out his channel. They go ride on the streets and
look, you can tell by the fender.
What is it, 12 o'clock boys?
Yeah, look, you can tell by the fender, look. I've been scraping all day long.
They've been scraping. They scrape on the back. I love that. Y'all need, y'all need to drop some comments. Let me know if y'all want to see me try and ride a dirt. I'm gonna bust my ass. I hope y'all know that. Like I'm kind of scared. But for y'all, I would do it. And for Darius, we need to hit the track or something, or hit the streets. Holy crap! I'm telling you, that shit looks good. It looks good. I like it. If y'all like it, drop some bread emojis below the video. That shit looks
Please don't hate on the squatted truck. Please don't.
Oh, I like
bow tie squad.
Yeah, our Tahoe squatted. I can't hate on the squatted truck, but yeah, no, I might squat mine again. We'll see. Maybe. If this video gets 10,000 views, which I know it won't, I'll squat my truck again.
I didn't think that when you were saying that throw your gas gauge off, I didn't know that until I watched that video. I was like, whoa, hold on.
It really throws your gas gauge off. I still have the 1-inch blocks in the back of my truck with the U-bolts, so I can throw them in at any time. It takes like 30 minutes. It does not take that long, and I still got them in the back. And I still have the 4-inch spacers on, if you guys, don't remember that. And any of you that don't remember that, what the hell kind of rock have you been living under? I post every day with the 4-inch spacers, Get with the program, okay? But it's getting dark. I wanted to come over. Huge shout out to my guy Poppin' Clutches for letting me come over and hang out for a little bit. I wanted to showcase the beautiful truck that he has and the new 26s on the truck. I'm sure most of you thought that they were going on our Tahoe, because it's a Tahoe and it's the same color, but I gotta keep things interesting. I can't give you guys all the good stuff right away, but we'll definitely come up with something like that at some point. We gotta get this bread right first, obviously. Like the rainbow, you should be all right. I feel like, because I used to ride rainbow with my wheel lights when they worked, so I still got the 2 wheel lights on the back right now. It's not like, you want to see it?
Yeah. Oh, they turned on?
Yeah.
I didn't know
that. I cut the 2 off of the front in a video the other couple weeks ago, just because the 2 in the front were messing up, but the 2 in the back are still on and they still work. Yeah. Oh yeah.
That's the double
row. The lighting trends. Yeah.
And you can go other colors too?
Yeah. So normally when I ride around, I'll ride around like this. That's normally what I ride around with. It's supposed to be flow series, but I've never been able to figure out how to actually get that to work. But normally that's what I ride around with. Nice. And I've never been pulled over or anything with those.
So you can't make it go flow?
No. I'm supposed to, but I've never been able to figure out how to do it. So long story short, Christina had these lights for like a long time, and we ended up, letting our buddy have them. And he actually got them working on his truck, and they are really bright. They look a lot better than I ever thought they would. I'm glad that they ended up on his truck and not the old Challenger that Christina had, because they look a lot better on his truck, to be honest. So I'm really glad that that's the way it all happened. I know you guys want to see more of the 26s, but I have about a 45-minute drive home, and we got to get home and edit the video for tonight, because it's what, 8:30, almost 9 o'clock, and I haven't posted my video yet. So it's gonna be a late night for us tonight, but that's what we do when we get this bread. When you have a dream and you want to accomplish it, there's nothing in this world that's going to stop us from chasing those dreams and getting this bread, because I don't care. Nothing's going to get in the way of that. You shout out to my boy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You got to come
real
out
quick.
More often.
Yeah, we're going to come out here more often. We're going to get some more footage. 5,000 views. We'll put the 26s on the Tahoe. I might film something on the way home. I might not, but just in case, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.